experience a strong desire to go on an adventurous trip. You may plan one with your family if you cannot go for it today. Being courageous, you will be ready to take up any risks. You are also ready to explore different avenues of life. Today's planetary positions indicate routine activities at work, says Ganesha. You will try to stick to your basic practice and may not try to implement anything new. You may want to play safe and may not take any risk as far as your professional life is concerned. Prepare yourself for more challenges in the future, says Ganesha. Ganesha feels that it will be a lovely day for you. Along with routine work, you may be thinking about personal issues. You may require emotional contact with others. Marriage and partnership issues may bother you. However, Ganesha finds this a favorable day for selling things. You may build up better awareness in idealistic and optimistic subjects today. However, Ganesha wonders whether you will stick to one subject matter and whether you will be able to profit by wandering from one area to another. You will be both open-minded and broad-minded today. Your inner beauty will keep growing, says Ganesha. Ganesha knows that you love to travel. Today you may be putting travel plans on paper. Some of you may be very dynamic and they also have the knack to just pack bags and leave. Performing artists will be able to earn laurels by the grace of Ganesha. In short, it's a booming day in your favor. You will be targeted and focused today. You may organize your daily activities wonderfully, which will help you work more efficiently. What matters most today is how you deal with people working under you, says Ganesha. You may seem more demanding to people around you, so do ensure that you don't pressurize anyone. You are going to have a frantic and hectic day, says Ganesha. Your humorous nature may encounter unusually serious life situations. Still, you will rise to the occasion and prove your mettle. Health is wealth for everybody and you are no exception, says Ganesha. So do take care of your personal well-being. Good luck and may Lord Ganesha bless you. If you are thinking of buying house or property, give it a second thought as the day is not on your side today, feels Ganesha. You will have to take care of minute details including gardening, cooking, cleaning your house or arranging your desk. Electronic gadgets need to be handled with care, says Ganesha. You may find yourself busy in looking after your looks, predicts Ganesha. Shopping is on the cards. You may shop till you drop. Funky clothes and accessories could be on the top of the list. Ganesha feels that some groundwork is needed on your financial front. You may start thinking more intelligently about how to save money and how to get returns of your investments. Generally, you are carefree about spending, but today you may be extra cautious and careful about expenditure, which is actually the right way to increase your bank balance. You will be able to relate very well with your brothers and sisters today, foresees Ganesha. They will also share their feelings openly with you. Advices given by you may be very useful for them. At work, it is a normal day without much of a hassle. Communication with people living at a distant place may go smooth and may also be very beneficial. Some unknown fear is going to bother you today. You are very wise, so you will understand this quickly and start working on yourself. Lovers may have a good time with their mates. You will watch movies, listen to music, or do some recreational activity in order to relax. In short, it's a mixed day for you, says Ganesha.